Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got a hair review. It is on this bob that you guys were actually loving when I first posted it, so had to give you guys the tea and the details. The bob is from a company called Yolissa Hair, and they were kind enough to send through this gorgeous blonde bobby wig. Before we get into anything, we're gonna tone the hair just to take away some of that yellow color, just to match and blend with my skin a little better. I took some of this purple shampoo and mix it together in some lukewarm water. You want to make sure that it is as diluted as possible so that you don't get those purple streaks in your wig. If necessary, you can make the water a little hotter, but this process took quite a while, but definitely worth it in the end. Then you want to just take your wig and you want to dip it in the purple shampoo lukewarm water mix. You want to keep doing this to ensure that your hair is fully saturated. You'll notice the more you do this, that the water will become clear because the hair is absorbing all of that purple, and ultimately the hair is getting toned.
I just wanna get behind you on that dance floor, then I take that back to that dance club. Handsome, always call me handsome.
So once you reach the stage and your water is clear, you know that your job is done and your wig should be the perfect color. If you would like to tone it some more, you want to start this process from the beginning. You don't want to just put purple shampoo straight onto the hair. Then we're going to move on to the install and styling. I'm first showing you guys how my wig looks now that we've toned it. I just put the wig straight onto my head. I unfortunately did lose the footage of me cutting and gluing down this wig, but I have a lot of videos where I show this, so definitely go and check out my other hair videos if you'd like to know how I glue down my wigs. But we're going to move straight on to styling, where we're just going to be straightening the wig. I did start off using my bigger Tony and Guy straightener, but then ended up opting to go for my GHD Chrono so I could get into the crevices, because obviously the hair at the back is significantly shorter. You guys would have also seen I did put some heat protectant onto the hair. Because my hair is already bleached and processed, you want to make sure that you are protecting your hair when you are styling it with heat specifically. Right, now once that is all done, we want to go ahead and take your wax stick and put that on the crown of the head. This is just going to help the hair sit flatter on the top of your head. I also went ahead and took some mousse to further make sure that this top part of my head is going to get as flat as possible, specifically when we go ahead and use our hot comb to lay it down. So right now you guys are seeing the first part of me defining the parts on the crown of my head. We are just going in with our hot comb that I got from Shein just to define that parting. You guys will see me do this at a later stage again, and that's going to be the final part that's really going to make my wig sit very flat and just look good on the top of my head. So now I've just gone ahead and taken my powder. I like to use my contour shade and I put this on the lace. This is said to be an HD lace. However, it is not the thinnest HD I have ever tried. So you are going to have to just put some powder and just, you know, put on your melting sprays and such to make sure that the wig sits and blends seamlessly with your skin. As you guys can see, that parting is looking flat. So we're just going to go in one more time, further define that parting by putting some concealer on the back of my rat tail comb and putting that on the parting just to again emphasize my part. I'm now taking some oil, some Moroccan oil, and putting that throughout my wig. Because the wig has been processed, of course, it tends to get a little bit frizzier. That's just generally what I've noticed with bleached hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that just to make sure the wig looks shiny and smooth. And once again, you guys are seeing me do my little combo of a wax stick, mousse, and my hot comb just to extra make sure that this wig is flat at the top. And once that is done, you will see that the wig is laying flat. It's looking silky smooth and stunning. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for sending through this wig. Definitely check out my description box if you guys would like any more information and if you'd like to purchase. I will of course see you in my next one. Bye.